Are you thinking about buying a home, but you're unsure of whether you should be pre-qualified or pre-approved? Listen, I know these two terms get tossed around like basketballs every day, but they do not mean the same thing. Let's break each one of them down so that you know the difference and you're prepared for your home search. Hi, I'm LaTanya Stanley. I'm your favorite Georgia realtor, and this is another episode of Real Talk Real Estate. Pre-qualification. What is that? That's generally a quick conversation or an online form between you and the lender where you self-report your income, your assets, and your debts to the best of your knowledge. And your lender will give you an estimate based off what you have reported of what they believe that you can afford. There has been no credit pull and there has been no verification. As a good realtor, I never want to take you out with the pre-qualification because I want to make sure that your transaction is bulletproofed and we know exactly what you qualify for. So yes, pre-qualification is the first steps and we want to get you going with the lender, but we need something a little bit more concrete, and that's where we're going to talk about the pre-approval. Yes, the pre-approval is what we need. Pre-approval, yes, that takes things a little bit further. This is when you actually apply with the lender and they are able to pull your credit. You're able to submit your bank statements, your check stubs, and any documentation that's going to help you towards your loan. Now, this is where we get the concrete information of how much you actually are approved for so that we can go shopping. Having that pre-approval letter in your hand shows the seller that we are serious and we are ready to move forward. So there's a big difference between a pre-qualification and a pre-approval, and a good lender is going to make sure that you have a pre-approval in your hand versus a pre-qualification. In today's market, most sellers will not even consider your offer without a pre-approval letter. It tells them that you are very serious and that your financing is in motion and you are ready to take ownership of this home. Now, don't get me wrong, a pre-qualification is a good starting point, but a pre-approval, that's your green light. It's your green light to be able to start shopping as well as to put in any offers of a home that may interest you. Let me give you an example. Say, for instance, you find the most beautiful home for $300,000. With the pre-qualification letter, you can only assume that the lender believes, based off what you have told them, that you will qualify for that. But with a pre-approval letter, that's gold. It's told us that the lender has verified your assets, he has taken a look at your credit, and they are ready to back you with this pre-approval letter stating that you can afford and are able to purchase this home. So if you're starting your home buying journey, a pre-qualification is a good way just to see what things look like, but a pre-approval lets me know that you're ready to go. If you found this helpful, make sure that you like and subscribe to this channel. Once again, I'm LaTanya Stanley, your favorite Georgia realtor. And if you're ready to get started with purchasing your home, you know what to do. Give me a call at 912-574-1122, or you can submit me a DM above. I'm always willing and ready to send you a free consultation as well as a copy of our buyers and our sellers guide. Once again, guys, you want that pre-approval so that we can get you on the road to home ownership. Thank you for joining this episode of Real Talk Real Estate, where we talked about pre-qualification versus pre-approval. Now you know what to do. Give me a call so that we can find you a place called home.